Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here in this video I'm going to download one of the best IDE for Java development. So what I will be doing, just go to your Google Chrome and write down Intellij idea here in the URL, press enter, and you just need to write down the community edition. Why? Because the other one is going to be paid. So just look at this, download Intellij idea. Okay, the other versions are here. Just go here because you have to download the community edition that is free. Okay, so look at here, other versions, and this is for Linux, this is Windows, Mac OS. So I will be doing this one. Okay, just click on that. Once you do it, the ideal, okay, this IDE is going to be downloaded. Just give it some time. Once it will finish, then I will tell you that what to do next. Okay, so here we go. You can just see that this file is almost finished. So what you have to do, you just need to click on that, or you can go to your files. There will be your download folder, and then you can see here that this IDE, Intellij idea, is being downloaded. Just click on that and execute the file. Okay, you have to do next, next. Okay, here just select all of these options, and for this, create association, select Java. Okay, you have to create a bin folder as well. Next, install. Let's give it time for installation. Okay, so the installation is about to finish. You can install any one of your IDE you are comfortable with. Intellij is actually one of the best Java development software. So that's why I have chosen that. And also in your course, there are 3 programming languages: Java, Visual Basic, and Python. So you can just choose any one of them. Now, look at here. You want to reboot now or you want to do it manually? Okay, just do it manually. Finish. Once it is finished, now what you have to do, you have to reboot your system. Okay, later on I can do that. Just look over here. This is the desktop. And in the desktop, the shortcut of Intellij is being created. Now just go and open it. Look over here, just click I confirm everything and then continue. Okay, don't send please. Now look here, it is going to be started for us. Okay, start using educational tools. Okay. Now here we go. Intellij idea is being downloaded. Now you can simply start with a new project. Click on this. Write the name. The first project will be Hello World. Let me just make a program in which you will see Hello World on your display. Okay, that's it. Java is already there. Okay, just create. No SDK specified. Okay, let me just quickly do it. Download JDK, or okay, let's download JDK. Okay, just download it. It will take a few minutes. Okay, so the JDK is about to finish. Okay, unpacking. Just wait for some time. Okay, it's done. Now just quickly go and create. Okay, here we go. This is our first project, first Java project. And let's just quickly go to your left, and here is in the source you can see this main. This is your class where you have to do your programming. Okay, so by default it's written public class. Main is the name of your class, and here the code is written. Inside main there is your code. Here, look at this. This is public static void main. This is your function, and it will be like this all the time. For main class, you have to include this static void main like this, and the main thing under this is your line of code. So look at this, it is your output statement that is going to show hello world on your as an output when you will run this program. So what you have to do, just go here on the green button and do your build project. So let's wait for that. Once you click it, okay, so next you can see here after building there is a run main.java. You just simply click it in order to run your program. Okay, once you run it, you can just simply see down here your program. Once it is going to run, then you can see the output on your window down. So look at this, hello world is being printed as the output. If you want to change your message, you can just simply, let me just write down the name of my channel, learn to teach. Let's see if it is being printed or displayed as an output message. So just go here again, run, and let's see the difference. Click here. Okay, now you can see down here, learn to teach. So it is being displayed on my output screen. This is how the program works. So in later, we will be doing more programming on Java. So I hope that you will follow the videos, and if you will be having any confusions, you can just simply comment below. Definitely, I'm going to help you here. So stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye-bye.